And welcome to day 3 of our Facebook Live marathon. Coming at you a little bit earlier today. Coming at you a little bit earlier today because I've got a lot going on tonight. So I know there might not be a lot of people on here today, but if you're watching it afterwards, that's cool too. So what we are going to do today is we are going to use one of my new chalk couture stencils, which I'm really excited about. And we're going to make a cute farmhouse. My dogs are in here today, so if you hear them whining and, you know, licking me and seeing their tails wagging, that's what they are. Murphy and Sasha, just hanging out. So anyway, we're going to be making a super cute rooster sign, and it can either be a sign or I can show you how to turn it into a like a serving tray, which would be really cool. And you can also turn it into a lazy Susan, and I will show you how to do that also. I've got a couple other stencils that came in too, so I'm going to show you those really super quick, and then we'll get started on our rooster sign. Hey Mimi. So the one that I actually just got today, which I'm really excited about, is a Thanksgiving, I guess fall themed stencil. And you would cut all of these out and you can combine them to however you want to do it. This one is the club stencil. So if you were to join Chalk Couture and become a designer, then as part of your subscription, you get one transfer sent to you automatically every month, and this is the September one. So kind of cute. I'm probably going to use these two right here. I have a couple ideas in my mind to combine them with a different stencil that I have. So hopefully I'll have some more things with that. This is the wreath one that I got last week, and I'm thinking of combining this and putting like one of these thankful ones in the center of that on a sign. And then I also got last week these cute little holly jolly ones for Christmas. So I've got some really cool ideas in my head. One that I want to do next week with you guys is a lighted sign. So taking a wood sign and then putting holes in it and putting little LED lights in it. So I'm really excited about that. And this one is still, I just made this frame. I didn't make the frame. I got the frame from Southern Chalk Kits. You can look them up. But I just put it on there. So I'm going to take these off, if I can get them off. This was another new stencil that I got last week. There we go. Home Sweet Home. This is probably one of my favorites. I love it. So there's another one. And this one might be on the live sale on Sunday. So if you're interested in that one, make sure you tune into the live on Sunday for the sale. Okay. Oh, I did have this the right way. There we go. So this is a wood round. Hello. Jira is the one who makes the awesome signs. The frames and the backing. So check her out, Southern Chalk Kits. They are pretty awesome. So anyway, this is a round board that I got I believe I got it at Hobby Lobby, and it was about $8. They come in 2 different sizes. This is the smaller of the 2. So if you wanted to go bigger, you could even go bigger. No, you make them cute. Okay, but you make them really easy. I don't know what I did before I found those frame kits. Okay, so we're going to take our rooster. And this is the first time I've used this one. So, if I can get a good, there we go. This is the first time I've done one this big, so we're going to see how this goes. Try not to get it to stick to itself. And I'm actually not going to use the whole thing because the whole thing wasn't going to fit on my board. And since it's new, I'm just gonna use my shirt and my shorts, I guess, because I don't have my cloth. I'm just gonna kind of get rid of some of the sticky a little bit. That way it doesn't quite sit quite so bad. There we go. This stain is a new stain that I found at, well, it's not new, but it's new to me, I guess. I got it at Lowe's or at Home Depot. It is ebony stain. I think it's Minwax. Yeah, it's in the yellow can. Uh-oh. Just got it stuck to myself. There we go. I'm like trying to do this super quick because my kid is napping right now. So hopefully I don't mess up too bad. It's ebony stain and it's a super dark, really, really neat stain. So I'm really excited about it. Okay, there we go. So I'm going to lay down my transfer and I'm not going to do the Farm Fresh Produce. Hi, Steve. I'm not going to do the Farm Fresh Produce part at the bottom. I'm going to leave that part off. So I'm just going to make sure that the rest of it is on here. Yep, there we go. So that's on there. I also got the large squeegee last week, which I'm really excited about because it makes things go so much faster. And I'm just going to press it down. And if you guys didn't tune into my live last night, I did how to do hand stamped jewelry, which is kind of my main business focus. So if you want to tune in, you can always tune into live videos afterwards. So if there's something you missed or if you come in late. There we go. Awesome. So I'm just going to use white. We're going to keep it kind of simple. And I'm going to take my little squeegee first and I'm going to put it all on there. And then I'm going to use my big squeegee to kind of smooth it out a little bit. And you can always wipe off the excess, so it's okay if you get a little bit too much. You can always add more. Okay. We'll take our big squeegee. And oh my gosh, that is so much quicker than using the small one. I love it. This one might just be going in my own house. So I've done the whole farmhouse fad, I guess, but it's super cute. So, whoops. A chunk of something there. And I need just a little bit more for this part. Okay. Get his feet. There we go. Make sure you save the extra. Oops. So I just got a little bit on the top of my board. And the cool thing about the chalk paste is that it just wipes right off. And if it is set on there, just use a white or a wet, there you go. Just a wet paper towel. We'll get that right off. Make sure it's on there good. All right. Put the lid back on. And here we go. Be careful when you pull it up. Oh my gosh, I love this. And then I'm going to flip it over and then I'll go wash it as soon as we're done here. Still got a little bit of that chalk on there. Ta-da! So cute, super, super cute. And you don't even have to use the whole transfer. So the farm fresh produce part that I left off at the bottom, if you were to get the big 24-inch round from Home Depot or Lowe's, Home Depot and Lowe's, you could easily fit the whole thing on there. But super cute. You could turn it into a sign. Just put a hanger on the back of it. Another thing, and this is probably actually what I will do, is drill. It's hard because it's like backward. There we go. Drill a couple holes here and then run some twine through it. And that way you can hang it with some cute twine. Another thing you can do, Murphy, you're fine, buddy. Murphy's sad that I'm not paying attention to him. Get a couple of these like drawer pulls and you could screw them in. Whoops. I got a little bit on there. There we go. Screw them in here, and then you can make yourself a cool little serving table. If you did that, you would want to make sure to seal it first if you're going to set stuff on top of it. If it were just going to be a sign, you could probably leave it unsealed. But if you're not sure, just go ahead and seal it anyway. And then another thing you can do at Home Depot, I think they're like $5 or $6. You can get the little metal round things that you use for Lazy Susans and attach that to the back. I think it just screws in the back. And then you can use it and it spins like Lazy Susan. So just a quick project today. I got to run inside and make sure my kid hasn't woken up from his nap yet and he's not freaking out on me. Get my stencil washed. But I just wanted to hop on here really quick before my night got a little bit busier and show you a couple of the new stencils and do a super quick project. Super cute farmhouse. Yay, love it. Tomorrow is going to be another DIY project, and it's going to be, and I haven't finished them yet, so hopefully they turn out okay. Wine bottles, painted wine bottles, and then decorating them with twine and maybe use a couple stencils on them, put some cute little flowers in them. So that will be tomorrow, and then Sunday is going to be the live sale, jewelry, signs, shirts, all sorts of stuff. So, and I will post on my Facebook page what time that is going to be. So thanks for tuning in. If you're watching this afterwards, thanks for tuning in after it's live. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.